Hello, my name is Scott and I'm from Snow's Toyota. Today I'm here to show you the new generation Yaris Hybrid. What you're actually looking at is the European Car of the Year 2021. 21 years ago, the first generation Yaris picked up this very same award, with every generation making the shortlist. This fourth generation Yaris has really made its mark, becoming one of the best selling cars in Europe. Now, the new generation Yaris only comes with Toyota's full hybrid system, but that is the only option you'd want for this car. This is Toyota's fourth generation self-charging hybrid. Based on the Corollas and the CHR's 2-litre engine, this is Toyota's brand new 1.5 litre. Now, compared to the previous engine, this is 12 kilograms lighter, making it 2 seconds quicker, 16 more horsepower and 16 grams less CO2 emissions. As you can see, the new generation Yaris has had a complete redesign. With its wide and low arches, a striking rear end, and this new mean front grille. So now, as standard, you now get 16-inch alloy wheels, and as well as that, there are now 10 attractive new colours. Toyota is still focused on its outstanding reliability, but at the same time, focused more on the exterior look of the vehicle. The new generation Yaris is placed on Toyota's new global architecture. This has reduced the length by 5mm, but its wheelbase has increased by 50mm. This making the car a compact genius, with it being an open and spacious interior that defies its exterior dimensions. The suspension and steering have been redesigned to make the driving position more comfortable and engaging. The Yaris has gone from being not only a reliable, efficient runaround, but to a head turner with breathless good looks and a new sporty edge. The Yaris has once again picked up a 5-star NCAP rating and is also the segment leader in advanced safety systems. This includes gadgets that you'd find in some high-end models, such as adaptive cruise control, which keeps the distance between you and the car in front. It comes standard with a segment first center airbag. Now, what that does is it helps you with the event of side-on collisions. It has cyclist and nighttime pedestrian detection, included like the previous Yaris with your auto high beam and Toyota's pre-collision system. The technology has vastly been improved. You've got a 7-inch multimedia display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your sat-nav and your favourite music apps. A first for Yaris is an electric handbrake, which is a lot easier. You have auto headlights, auto wipers, a reversing camera, and a nice little armrest. So the new Yaris requires no plugging in. It is a full hybrid, which means the car will regenerate its battery when you're braking, coasting, basically when your foot's just not on the accelerator. So you can actually get 80% in EV mode, which is Toyota's full electric. I mean, it's completely effortless driving. You just drive it like you would a go-kart, really. You could expect to get a miles per gallon of around 65 to potentially 75 miles per gallon, which is insane. This car is silent, completely smooth. There's no transitions between changing gear, nothing. The steering, nice and light, and the whole experience is completely effortless. You can see why this car has won Car of the Year. There are 4 grades on the new Yaris: Icon, Design, Dynamic and Excel. All the features I've previously mentioned are standard with the Icon grade. If you move up to Design, you gain LED headlights and fog lights, power rear windows, and this brand new binocular inspired display, exclusively for Yaris. The Dynamic grade comes additional with partial leather seats, smart entry and push button start, 17-inch alloy wheels and an 8-speaker JBL system. The Excel model comes with front and rear parking sensors, auto folding mirrors, blind spot monitors and a light partial leather interior. As well as these options, the Design and Excel grade have the additional option of a panoramic roof, which in those sunny days is a remarkable feature. Toyota said that this has been designed with passion and driven by obsession, and you can totally see this as soon as you're behind the wheel. Well, this car truly is for everyone and anyone to enjoy. That's not saying that you can take it through rivers like I did with the Hilux in my last video, but because it seizes every moment with expressive design, it's safe, reliable and affordable. What more could you want? As I mentioned in the beginning, this new generation Yaris has been awarded Car of the Year 2021. You should see the overwhelming number of reviews we've received on this car here at Snows. But don't take their word for it, don't take my word for it. Come on down to your local Snows Toyota and try this experience out for yourself.